Oh yes, the dryer. Alright, we're moments away from startup. It's in a vacuum. 410A. Gonna open up the valves. We all set. It's the Rheem classic new color gray. Gonna fire up and see how it works. Alright, it's all done. 4-ton RANL 049 JAZ. I was going to shoot a much better video, but me and the expansion valve got in a fight and I won. I started out with 380 with 50-degree subcooling. No, 50 degrees. 50-degree superheat, 11-degree subcooling. Repositioned the bulb my way. I got it up to 96. And then we did a little massage. You saw in the previous clip my final pressures. And that's the way I'm keeping it. But it's all done. Alright, I don't think I got any footage of the unit up running, but there it is, up and running. This will get all patched in or painted and it'll look factory when it's all patched up. I saved the old clamp. There's a little bit of history right there. The history is it's on a big long toggle and I didn't feel like taking it out. But that's it.